our activities. Also, you may engage or mobilize the company to come and work with us and support us through the CSR.
If not now, then when? If not here, then when?
Grapes having grown from a small classroom to a population of 1,000 pupils, there is need for community service to support in the social issues affecting the orphaned and vulnerable children.
Receive our warm greetings from Gorogosho. Our blessing, no alcohol, for your support.
In 2013, the home was privileged to have 2 volunteer organizations, of which in October, one came with a gift of medical cover for some pupils.
Your medical cover is God sent. Our bodies will shine. For your support, we salute you.
To a Penda Medical Center.
Started 2 years ago, Penda Medical Center engaged its sponsorship to 85 pupils for medical cover.
As you know, these 85 students will get completely free outpatient health care for the entire year, and we're very welcome to have them and their families as well.
During the launch, they conducted free medical checkup for the sponsored 85 pupils, and the rest of the congregation, including parents, were checked up at a fee of 50 shillings. In November, another institution, Management University of Africa, extended its services by spending a day with the children at the Alice Village, offering services as well as interacting with the pupils while sensitizing on issues surrounding the children and their environment. Interaction is a powerful tool, as well as engaging in social activities. The visit was headed by the university vice chancellor.
So these houses are the same?
The same.
The names written on the doors, these are people that have touched. Like this one was the first donor that I met.
Okay.
In the year 203.
Okay.
And at the moment she's supporting around 100 orphans in Gorogosho. Betty was abandoned in Dandora.
Okay.
And for 3 years we couldn't trace anybody. Then we went to court and she was declared free for adoption.
Gravesend welcome well-wishers, institutions, churches, organizations, companies, and even community support to come on board, visit Gorogosho and or Utawala for activities and to bring hope to the vulnerable children.
Gravesend, we've learned so much today, and it has changed our lives, hasn't it?
Because you can just see the happiness and the joy that these children have in their faces. Us just being here, not even doing much for them yet.
Support 5 students.
I'd like all of you to put these things on the website, on the Facebook and Twitter. I joined Twitter the other day and I'm not active.